Some of you know that I took a AVGO trade today. What I was really looking at with the AVGO is the resistance from yesterday, right about here. And then I was able to notice the breakout right about there. That was the time I took a call. It did drop slightly little bit, but I knew that this breakout is a good breakout, so I decided to hold it, and of course it reversed and kept going up from that point on. I want to show you how I could have done this with another stock. Clear this here. I'm gonna pull up crowd. Okay, I'm gonna take you step by step and show you exactly what I did with AVGO, but I didn't take a trade on crowd. But I am going to take the same steps that I did with AVGO. Okay, so I'm going to show you here. So this was yesterday. I'm going to go into replay mode before the opening of today. So I'm going to go back to, okay, let's just go before the opening, right about at 6:15, 6:30, and I'm going to mark some levels here. Okay. This is to show you if I was to take a call option, at what point I would take call option. If I was to take a put option, at what point will I take the put option? Okay. So just looking at here, I'm right here, January 7th on. Okay. I clearly see, the highs and the lows. They're clearly, it's right here, the high. Okay. And the low is right about here. This is the support. Okay. So let's look at right about here. Okay. Now you see there are some candles here, which, I'm sure it happened after hours. So at this point, what I can also do, instead of drawing a level, I'll do a zone. Okay. So I'll cover all of this here. This way I want to get a good close below this zone. Okay, not just the level. The level is just 367.11. It may go. It may just like here. There are some candles that were closed below this level. I don't want that to happen. So I want this zone to be clearly taken out before I open my put options. Okay, so these will be the level. Okay, definitely will not take any longs if it's not closing above this level here. I'm gonna label them because I don't think you can see my pricing. 382.82. Okay, and I'm gonna label this zone here, 366.02. Should go up at the end, 367.10. All right, this is my zone. So no puts if this zone is not taken out. 15-minute time frame. No calls if it doesn't close above 382.82. Okay. The market hasn't opened yet. I'm at 6:30, so the next candle will open with the market. So right here is the first candle after the market open. Okay. So no trades here so far. Okay. I mean, we have our levels or we have our zone. Okay. Now we see this big bullish candle. Okay. When you see this big bullish candle, that's has closed above the high of the previous, there's something there. Okay. Now you could wait. We can still keep on waiting for these levels to hit. I'll show you something else at the end, but let's just continue. Keep going, keep going. Nothing is happening really. There's no opportunity of trades. Okay. So here, look what happened. I touched the level, but it came down, so no close. Here, it closed up. It opened very close to the level. It closed above that level. This is good, right? I mean, you can also say, hey, there's some candles here. What about this? I'm looking at this big, sharp candle to the down. This is a very strong level right about here. not there. Okay, this is a good level here. Okay, now also look at this momentum going to the up, right? See this? So this is tells me, you know what? Momentum is strong. It has crossed above my resistance. This is a strong resistance. This is good to go here. This is good to go for the calls. And let's see, a few more candles. Now we're very, very close to the end of the day, but so it's gonna be a very quick scalp. So I mean, you opened here, you could have taken closed out here, take some quick gains because the market is about to close. If you don't want to swing, you could just close it here. If you want to swing, you can carry it to the next day. But yeah, there was somewhat a little bit of opportunity here to make the gains. What I'm about to show you is this back candle here. What level was this here? Okay, let's use our fib. I want to see what level was this at. I'm gonna go and draw my fib from this point to right about there. And look, if you had captured this 78.60 level right at when this candle happened and could have gone with the calls, you could have taken all of this gains right about here. Okay, so use the levels, use the fibs to your advantage and make some money. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.